Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain you about the construction of a tangent. The construction of a tangent, firstly you will see a circle at a point on the circle. When we have to construct a tangent to a circle at a point on a circle, means the point is on a circle. So from that point we have to construct the tangent. Very simple steps. See the first, draw the circle of given measurement. Draw the circle of a given measurement. Now see the center of a circle. So from that we have to draw the circle. After drawing the circle, take any point on a circle, that is a P point. So from P point, take some distance in a rounder, draw an arc. After drawing an arc from P point, then from that arc you have to take half of the distance of this arc. More than half distance you have to take from these both the arc. After that, from this both the arc you have to draw this upside and downside arc, and then you have to join the draw the line. Okay, very simple. It means that your L is perpendicular to CX. How to draw the perpendicular, all of you know that by the segment also, or you can do the in this way also. From P, draw two arc and take more than half distance of these two arc, draw this upside and downside arc, then you will draw the line. So in this way you can construct the tangent at a point on the circle. Now second is that without using the center of circle, construct a circle of any radius, take any point C on it. Construct the tangent to the circle without using the center of circle. How to draw the without using the center of circle? This is also very simple. Firstly, draw the circle of suitable radius. Now, take any point on it. C is the point on it. Draw the chord CB and inscribed angle CAB. Firstly, CB, draw, take any point A and draw the CAB. After that, copy the angle with the center A, any convenient radius, draw arc intersecting the side of angle BAC in the point M and N. From A as a radius, and you have to draw the A as a radius, and you have to draw the MN. And same you have to take here from C as a radius, means you have to copy the angle BAC where BCD in this way. So firstly take some distance from point A, draw an arc MN. From C, same you have to take a distance and draw an arc. After that, from A to N, okay, then distance of MN. What is distance of MN? A to NM. In a rounder, take a distance and draw arc MN. Same arc you have to draw by taking C as a center. After that, MN distance take in a compass from M to N, and same you have to draw R to D. Same you have to draw D point, and then you have to construct the line which is passing through C and D, and this is it without using the center of a circle. Center of circle we are not using here. Without using the center of circle, in this way you have to construct the tangent to the circle. Okay students, and don't worry, again I am sending another video. In that construction I will send you how to construct actually. Okay, so